Is your forklift hitting the ceiling? Struggling to lift indoors? Wasting time in narrow aisles? Burning money on fuel? Dealing with noise and emissions every day? Then your warehouse needs a smarter forklift. Introducing the TYPHON VIGOR 1.5 electric forklift, engineered for efficiency, control, and reliability in modern indoor material handling. Designed for indoor and low-ceiling warehouses. Built specifically for indoor operations. The TYPHON VIGOR 1.5 features a 1,400 mm free lift, allowing pallets to be raised without extending the mast. This makes it ideal for warehouses with low ceilings, mezzanine floors, and confined vertical spaces. Its compact body design and 2,210 mm turning radius ensures smooth maneuverability in narrow aisles, storage areas, and tight loading zones. Efficient power for daily operations. Powered by a 60 volts 260i lithium battery, the VIGOR 1.5 delivers up to 10 hours of working time on a single charge. With a charging time of just 6 hours and compatibility with standard power outlets, it offers a practical and low-maintenance power solution for daily warehouse use. Strong, stable, and precise handling. With a 1.5-ton rated lifting capacity and a 500 mm load center, the VIGOR 1.5 provides stable and controlled lifting performance. Its 3-stage mast supports lifting heights of 1,600 mm, 3,000 mm, and up to 4,500 mm, offering flexibility for a wide range of stacking and storage needs. Hydraulic steering and solid rubber tires ensure precise control, durability, and smooth operation throughout the workday. Clean, quiet, and operator-friendly. As a fully electric forklift, the TYPHON VIGOR 1.5 operates with zero emissions and low noise, creating a safer and more comfortable indoor working environment. This makes it suitable for warehouses, factories, food storage facilities, and logistics centers. Conclusion: compact in size, powerful in performance, and designed for efficiency. The TYPHON VIGOR 1.5 electric forklift is the smart solution for modern warehouses. Built to fit your space. Built to improve your productivity.
TYPHON VIGOR 1.5.